Hello everyone, the latest update of Ollama is now available to run any GGUF quantization models from Hugging Face. This is a really convenient feature in Ollama to run open source language models from Hugging Face. They are able to connect with Hugging Face right now using this command line as the Ollama run with the new command hf.co, the username and the repository name of the model. For example, I have this Minstrel 8 billion parameters instruct GGUF quantization model created by this author. Right here, as you can see, are the files and versions. When you click into this page, you see all the GGUF of different versions of the Minstrel 8B models. You can now run this in Ollama, which means you are also able to run any Hugging Face GGUF quantization models in OpenWebUI. So that means we're not only limited to downloading the language models from the Ollama website itself. Here you see the old way of using language models from Ollama's available models, for example, the Llama 3.2. On this page, you were able to run this command to download the language models previously, but right now, we are able to download any quantization models also in Hugging Face. That means we have a lot more language models available to play around with in our open web UI and also Ollama itself. So, what do you do to download this? One of the easiest ways is to go to this Use This Model dropdown on whichever Hugging Face page of language models that is in GGUF quantization format. You can go to this dropdown menu and you'll see this Ollama icon. Click into here, and basically you select one of the versions in here. For example, I'd like to try this Q4_K_M version of this language model. Running this is only different in that we are adding the hf.co, the format username, and the language model's name of the whole link here, combining it with the Ollama command prompt. So basically, without any typing mistakes, we can just copy this command prompt, and there are two choices. First of all, you can use command prompt in Windows. The old simple way to use Ollama is to paste the Ollama run command prompt of that language model to download these language models to your local machine. The second option, which is more user-friendly, is with OpenWebUI, where we can go to the settings. We come to the Models tab, where we can download the Ollama models here. From here, enter the model's tag name, which we can paste and cross out the Ollama run keywords at the front. This is the only thing that we need for the rest of the command prompt here in the OpenWebUI. Press the download icon on the right side. Then it starts to pull the manifest of the language model file. As you can see right now, it is able to download this language model in progress. The Minstrel 8B instruct in GGUF format with the Q4_K_M version. So let's finish this download and we will test this language model in OpenWebUI. Okay, so we've finished downloading the model, and from the drop-down menu here, as you can see, the model is available here. Come back to the language models chatbot area where you can select the Minstrel 8B parameters model here to start playing around with that. So for example, find example prompts here and ask for the response from this. The beauty of this is that the new OpenWebUI is able to preview the code on the left here. As you can see, it looks like, Copilot-like styles, allowing you to preview your code or HTML, or if you generate an image, you can preview that on the left bar here as well. And yeah, it goes pretty well with the Minstrel, very convenient for local devices. Whether you have a mobile or a PC, you are able to run this very smoothly. So that is the new update of Ollama that allows you to play around with over a language model, and the ones that have GGUF quantization listed in Hugging Face. You can use all of that with Ollama right now. So that is it for this video. A little tip about the Ollama updates and OpenWebUI, and I will see you in the next videos. Have a nice day. See ya!